Hey everyone, if we miss the old Yahoo Mail look, we can switch back to Yahoo Mail Classic and enjoy the familiar interface we like. Yahoo Mail Classic is a simple, older version of Yahoo Mail. It is made for speed, easy access, and works well with older browsers or slow internet. It removes heavy graphics and modern designs, giving us a plain text-focused layout that loads faster. Switching to Yahoo Mail Classic view gives us the older, simpler interface instead of the modern one. This can make our mailbox easier to use, faster to load on slow devices, and more comfortable for those who prefer a simple layout. Now, let's go through the steps together. First, we open our browser. Next, we go to yahoo.com. Once we are on the main page, we log into our account. If we are already logged in, we can go straight to Yahoo Mail by clicking the envelope icon. We click this icon, and now we are in the Yahoo Mail interface. If we want to go back to the classic look, we go to Settings. We find Settings in the lower left part of the Yahoo interface. Click More, then click Settings. In Appearance Settings, we can choose Dark Mode or Light Mode. We can also set our message layout. To switch to the old Yahoo Mail, we look on the left side of the Appearance section. We find the option to switch to the classic version. We just click this option. Then, we might be asked to give feedback or skip this step. For us, let's skip. Now, we have the old Yahoo Mail interface. We can use our emails and reply to messages the old way. That's it. We have now switched back to Yahoo Mail Classic. This gives us the familiar interface we know and like. Remember, we can always switch back to the latest version whenever we want just by going back to settings and redoing all we have done. Take time to explore and configure where you will be confident.